All right, so the coin we are covering today is Alchemy Pay or the ACH token, and this is a project that we have covered before in the past as one to have on your radar, but have not recommended as a potential investment until now. ACH is a very promising project, but one we thought kind of got a little too overheated, too fast, kind of got ahead of its skis too quickly with a lot of really good news happening all at the same time. Currently today, as we record this, we are sitting at 7 cents per coin for ACH with a market cap of just $238 million. But just a month ago, it was at 20 cents per coin. So now, do we think it eventually can get back above that all-time high? Of course, and certainly blast through that in the months and years to come. But we've been waiting for a short-term significant pullback, and we sure got one in the last couple of weeks. Obviously, it totally sucks if you got in at 20 cents, but don't worry, we will come back to get you once the momentum and the sentiment swings back around for Alchemy. And obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. We're not financial advisors, but Alchemy is certainly a project that we really like, and one that we're very interested in, especially now at a price of 7 cents versus the price of 20 cents. But if you aren't familiar with Alchemy Pay or the ACH token, it is a very hot Singapore-based crypto to fiat payment system that is pretty hyper focused on the Asian market right now, which we really like. I'm not trying to be all things to all, categories and geographies, but very focused on that Asian market to start. It's somewhat familiar to AMP. If you're familiar with that project, it's a token or project that we've covered in the past. The difference being is that AMP is focused really on the collateral to fiat system and is not focused also on the Asian market. So very much in the same category, doing similar things, but not exactly a direct one-to-one competitor. And I definitely do prefer ACH right now, and this is certainly on our radar as one of our most undervalued projects at this price point, and also due to the market cap difference between a project like ACH and a project like AMP. Currently, AMP's market cap is nearly 10 times larger than ACH's. AMP is sitting at $2.1 billion today versus Alchemy's $238 million. And this is despite Alchemy having a strong of super bullish momentum and news and traction coming out lately. Again, a little too much too soon. First, in the beginning of the month in August, they were added to Coinbase and introduced to their huge user base of investors, which shot the price up and helped, really grow their dedicated following on Twitter and Reddit and social platforms. And over the past month, the sentiment has gone down a little bit. It really popped up, in the beginning to mid part of August, but we're starting to see those indicators peak back up again. And then obviously we have that huge announcement of the partnership with Kobo opening up Alchemy to their huge custodial client base of institutional investors and helping them design and develop a massive or potentially massive overseas payment channel for ACH, which could be just huge. And then obviously shortly thereafter, the Binance partnership announcement came out and blasted it even more, or inflated that price even more. But Alchemy, it's really bullish for them. They'll be building a payment bridge between crypto and fiat through the Binance Pay wallet, which gives ACH access to Binance's huge user base and will allow users and merchants to utilize the app to send and receive payments around the world without incurring any handling fees. So users will be able to pay for goods and services in 40 different cryptocurrencies. As of now, they're adding more in the future, taking direct aim at PayPal, Square, and pretty much everyone in that space. So Binance and ACH are just doing, trying to do what PayPal and Square are doing, just a lot better and more efficient, in a lot more markets. But yeah, Alchemy Pay, certainly one that is on our radar as now today, very undervalued. We think this could start to really peak back up and ramp back up in the next months to come. But especially with it now being on Coinbase and Binance and with a market cap of $238 million, we can certainly see this thing 10xing in the next, quarter to 2 quarters or so from here. Certainly wouldn't be out of reach. I would put them at 2.3 billion, essentially where AMP is right now. But obviously, that's just kind of our kind of back of the napkin prediction for where Alchemy Pay based on some of our metrics. But yeah, that's what our take is on Alchemy. If you're holding ACH, let us know what you guys think of the project. Where you guys bought in, if you guys have been holding it since that top, or if you're kind of starting to kind of dollar cost average now that it's going down a bit here. But anyway, yeah, let us know your price predictions for ACH, any other kind of undervalued gems you're looking at in that sub-billion-dollar market cap range that you'd like us to take a closer eye on. And yeah, and if you're watching on YouTube, give us a like and subscribe if you could. Would really help out the channel. And if you're watching on Spotify or iTunes, if you could give us a review, that would be fan freaking tastic. And if you want to check out BlockFi and just stack those Satoshis, if you use that link down below, you get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you use that link to sign up. Yeah, it's 8% APY on USD, which just kills traditional banks, and 5% on Ethereum, 4.5% on Bitcoin. You can even, I think it's 3.5 on Uniswap, and just a bunch of others. But yeah, we love BlockFi, great partners. Go check them out with that link to get that free Bitcoin. And that is all, folks. We will be back tomorrow with another coin analysis. We're trying to keep these under 5 minutes and failed once again, but we'll be better tomorrow. All right. Goodbye now.